Hello and welcome to another edition of John Register's Inspired Thursday Thought. I hope that you have been following the Olympic Games and the incredible moments in time of all the athletes that they are experiencing. We get a chance to get a glimpse into their world and for a few minutes go along for the ride on their miraculous journeys through time. I was really intrigued by the Jamaican bobsled story. Winston Watson and Marvin Dixon may have slid into last place, but they won the hearts of all the bobsled fans. What an amazing transformation from their first debut when they were the laughingstock of the bobsled world. More and more, we are beginning to see athletes of a different hues gracing the winter wonderland of sport. And though Watts and Dixon failed to get past their entry-level slide, American lady bobsledders Elena Myers, Lauren Williams, Asia Evans, Jasmine Findlater, and Lolo Jones showed that there are people of color who will vie for medals. Myers, who comes from a softball background, teamed up with Lauren Williams, the great American gold medal sprinter. They captured the silver medal at the Sankey Sliding Center. Asia Evans, who has a crazy pedigree in sport, her father Fred having been in 8 seasons a defensive tackle for the Minnesota Vikings. Her cousin Gary, 12 years in Major League Baseball, teamed up with Jamie Grubel to capture bronze. And Olympic hurdler Lolo Jones with Jasmine Findlater, though they did not win a medal, demonstrated the power of the U.S. team with 5 women of color. They all will go down not just in Black history or African American history, but in American and world history. They are amazing sheroes of inspiration. Now you go forth and inspire your world.